Thank you for choosing Palmtech.
Palmtech makes collecting payments for your inspections fast and easy. Once an inspection is scheduled, an email will automatically be sent to your client with a request for payment that will walk them through making payment online. This will lead to you getting paid faster and having to spend less time chasing payments. When logged into your account, you can set up payments by clicking or tapping on your name in the top right corner, and then clicking on Settings. In Settings, we will click or tap on Payments. We partner with Guardian Inspection Payments, and if you want to use Palmtech for collecting payments, you will click the Setup Now link here and walk through the easy setup process with Guardian. Let's briefly talk about Guardian before we click the link. For over 20 years, Guardian has been the #1 choice for payment processing with home inspectors. They guarantee that they have the lowest processing rates, and if you are using another processor and they cannot beat the rate, they will pay your inspection company $500. The integration with Guardian Payments and Palmtech is seamless, and using the two will make running your business easier. Great, let's go ahead and click the link now. The link takes you to where you can start your Guardian application. You will simply work your way through the application and submit it once complete. If you have any questions or would prefer someone to walk you through the application, you can give Guardian a call at the number on screen. Once the application has been submitted, it will be reviewed. If there are any questions on the application, they will reach out to you directly. In most cases, account approval happens within 2 business days. After the account has been approved, you will be notified, and you will be ready to accept payments in Palmtech. Thank you for choosing Palmtech. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support team via chat, email, or by phone at 888-736-2462.